Hi guys. Yep, it's me again. Since I saw a lot of comments requesting what I used for the video that you uploaded yesterday, so I made a tutorial. Choose your clip. Do this. Export and go to browser. That's the video, so click that. After that, it will loading. They are separating the music and vocal. There you go. You can also use the music if you want to make karaoke. You can click the vocal to download that, and you can also record that like what I did. I will link in the description so you don't need to search. I will make tutorial for free Alightmotion and VSCO app. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Hope you enjoy this and you learn. See you on my next video.